how to enable or disable show notification badges in Assistive Access on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in your settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Accessibility, then scroll down again and tap on Assistive Access, then scroll down to the bottom. In here, tap on Show Notification Badges, tap on the toggle button to disable or switch it on to enable Show Notification Badges while you are in Assistive Access mode. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.